Introducing U.S. Pool Supplies Swimming Pool Leaf Rake. Our heavy-duty pool rake makes cleanup fast, easy, and efficient. Net easily attaches to the standard size 1.25-inch diameter swimming pool poles. Our rake is designed with an extra wide 17-inch net opening. With a beveled leading edge, this allows it to collect a large amount of debris. The net's fine mesh netting allows it to collect fine debris and effectively holds the leaves within the net while cleaning. Safe for use in pools, spas, hot tubs, and won't mar pool liners. Make a splash today with U.S. Pool Supply. Thanks for visiting U.S. Pool Supply. Hit that like button and please consider subscribing to our channel.